Do you want to get popular and noticed on LinkedIn? Well, buckle up because we have got 5 tricks up on our sleeves that are going to make you the talk of the town. Hey there, LinkedIn enthusiast. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have got something super special for you. If you have ever wondered how to skyrocket your popularity on LinkedIn, you have come to the right place. So let's get started. Trick number 1, a catchy profile picture. First thing first, folks, you gotta rock that profile picture. Ditch the passport style mugshot and go for something that reflects your personality. Remember, a smile is a secret weapon. People love connecting with warm and approachable faces. Also, secret tip, go for a poppy background, a neutral outfit picture, or a completely black and white theme. They always stand out. Trick number 2, an all-star profile. Time to level up your LinkedIn game? Fill out your entire profile with all-star information. Showcase your skills, experiences, and accomplishments as well. Make it juicy and exciting. A complete profile is like a magnet for connections. Secret tip, use AI tools to write your bio and always add a hint of your personality and make sure to write your work experience in detail in bullet points and link your works wherever you can. Trick number 3, engaging content. Shout it out from the LinkedIn rooftops. Create engaging content that educates, entertains, and adds values to your network. Share your insights, post funny anecdotes, and don't shy away from being authentic. The more engaging your post, the more people will flock to your profile. Secret tip, work according to the LinkedIn algorithm and don't forget to add pictures to your content. Trick number 4, network like a pro. Detective mode on. Seek out your dream connections and interact with them. Engage with their posts, leave thoughtful comments, and don't be afraid to strike up a conversation. Networking is like a dance, and you, my friend, have got to have some killer moves. Secret tip, try to majorly connect with people in your domain so you reach their target audience and always keep taking notes from industry specialists. Trick number 5, embrace the power of video. Lights, camera, LinkedIn, and action. Embrace the power of video. Share short and snappy videos, whether it's a quick tip, a behind the scenes sneak peek, or a funny office blooper. Videos always grab attention and your charisma will shine through. Secret tip, make sure the content you post is engaging. Edit it via apps like InShot and tap your back for the good work. So there you have it, 5 fantastic tricks to become a LinkedIn sensation. It's all about showing your true self, engaging with your community, and spreading positivity. Remember, there's room for everyone to shine on LinkedIn. Now, smash that like button if you found these tips helpful and subscribe for more LinkedIn greatness. Until next time, keep LinkedIning like a pro.